Do you suffer from way too much appreciation? People coming up to you and saying, thank you so much for the amazing work you do. Your vendors and suppliers saying, love working with you, man. Your employees saying, you, wow. No? Well, you're in the right place.
She was the best person to work with. She really engaged the audience.
No! Yeah, lots of people you're tolerating. Okay. And I go back to my first day in the welding industry. It was this symphony of industrial sounds and noises and smells that I fell absolutely in love with the industry. But it was my boss and the culture there that kept me there for 7 years. If you look at this and you consider that one piece of metal is your employee and the other piece of metal is the workplace, that bead is everything else. It's the culture, it's the leadership, it's the mission, it's the customers, it's everything that makes that fusion happen.
She was so natural on stage, and yet the message that she had was so powerful.
I'm not coming in here and telling you have to spend a lot of money and do all this extra stuff. It's simply looking to find the good that you already have and looking to expand that. So in our time together, we're going to go through my 6 gears of Grategy. And attitude is basically the basis of all of this.
Her delivery about what to do is very personable, and these are skills that not only we can use at work, but we can take home.
It's these little things that we do. We give accessibility. We provide training. We recognize excellence.
She totally understands how to transform your workplace.
And when we put all 6 of these gears together, you have a workplace that flows smoothly. When I come in, I help them to change the conversation with those employees so that they feel more valued, they feel more appreciated.
I loved her energy, her knowledge of the topic, her humor.
If people want to work for my company, they have to change to work for me. That's not working anymore. Your culture did not happen overnight, and it is not changing overnight. Are you telling me I have to thank my employees for doing their job? No, I'm not. If you don't, somebody else will, and you're probably going to lose them.
She's just super easy to work with, and she keeps all of her attendees engaged.
It's not about filling jobs. It's about creating fulfilling work. They were more happy, joyful, enthusiastic. No employee ever quit because of too much training. We have to build that trust. You have no idea the lives that you can change. Holy cow, can you believe you are in the same room with these rock stars? I want you to look at these people and give them the loudest standing ovation you have ever given anybody. It felt good to receive that appreciation, didn't it?